I literally cannot shut the door these days without Emerson pitching a fit and crying. She has to be able to see me at all times. Mom life is hard. And look at this mess. I was putting on makeup and well, that's show the world mom's stuff. Pulled everything out of the cupboard. And this happens every single day. Came out to the balcony to get a moment of peace. She literally follows me everywhere I go. We've been sick and in the house for a week, but we're going so stir crazy. So we're gonna get out of the house right now and go to Target and go get a little Christmas shopping done, because I think it's probably about time that happens, and get some wrapping paper for like family's gifts. She just always wants me. No, we're going this way. Let's go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, sweetie.
I think Dada's coming with us. Yep, keep going. Out the door. Worst procrastinator when it comes to Christmas shopping. Every single year I do it, and I'm out amongst them with all of the other Christmas procrastinators, and it's very stressful. You'd think I would learn my lesson, but I do not. This is us trying to pick something to eat for lunch. What do you feel like eating? Moe's, Chick-fil-A. We can get pizza. We could go home and cook. How about Chick-fil-A? Do you want cookout?
What would you get a cookout?
You want cookout?
I mean, I'll eat cookout.
But do you want it? Do you want me to cook?
No. Chick-fil-A or cookout?
What would you prefer? Because I can get quesadillas from cookout.
Just flip a coin.
Seriously?
Yeah. Heads for cookout, tails for Chick-fil-A. Heads for cookout, tails for Chick-fil-A. It's heads for cookout.
Alright, cookout it is.
Referring to Jesus.
I mean, she's still not over. I'm gonna do that and go sit in the morning because it's the same thing. Yeah, can I get a chicken quesadilla box, please?
I am so sorry, but our tasting machine is not working at the moment.
Are you freaking kidding me?
You're what?
I'm afraid our quesadilla machine is not working. Can I get something else instead?
That's like the only thing I wanted. Are you all done, baby? Oh, good girl. You did pretty good eating. Say out, please. Good girl. just put Emerson down for a nap. And so I'm going to have some much needed mommy time and take a bath because I'm still not feeling very good. I got this candle at Bed Bath & Beyond today. We had a gift card still from our wedding almost 2 years ago, so I decided I should probably put it to use, and I've been wanting to get a new candle, so this one's balsam and clove and it smells really good. Go cuddle on the couch for a little bit and watch Mickey Mouse. Making a movie. We'll go watch Mickey Mouse. What you eating? No touching. No touching. Oh, you're so cute. Alright, we are going to try this concoction that I got from my sister-in-law that they swear by for when you are starting to get sick or you are sick. It's kind of like a natural remedy and it supposedly knocks the sickness out of you. So I'm going to make it. I'm going to tell you how to make it. And I'm going to show us taking a shot of it. So wish us luck. Here we go. Alright, so you start with a cup of apple cider vinegar. Andrew's gonna squish in 2 cloves of garlic and a dash of cayenne pepper. I mean, I could have done that. We just gotta kill it. 1, 2, 3. I didn't do it. My turn. It's not that bad.
My throat really hurts.
So the cayenne, it's good for you though. I think the hardest thing to get past is the chunks of garlic. It's not that bad. It's totally doable. I am going to cook Emerson some dinner. We're going to have dinner a little bit later, and we'll probably just have a frozen pizza from Trader Joe's. But for Emmy, I want her to have some actual dinner tonight and not just like something thrown together. So I think I'm going to make her some of these organic spinach and cheese raviolis. They're from Costco. I have never had them. My mother-in-law gave them to me to try, so I'm really excited. She said they're super good, and they sound good. So I'll cook up some for Emmy and see if she'll eat any of them. I think we have a tired one on our hands. But this is our current situation. We're just kind of falling apart. Nothing's making us happy. So I'm gonna get her some dinner, and then we might just snuggle on the couch if she'll do it. This has been pretty much like our whole week since she's been sick, and that might just be it. She's just not feeling good, or she's tired, but she took a pretty good nap, so. Emers, what's wrong? Why are you sad? Let's pray. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Good girl. Thank you, Jesus, for our food. Take a bite. Okay. Okay, let's try this instead and see if you like it a little bit better. Of course. This girl loves her some peas and broccoli. How is that? Is that what a baby wanted? Yeah. I'm about to fold these clothes that are behind me, but I thought that I would just sit down and have myself another little mommy moment before I tackle the laundry. I'm having a little cutie orange and watching some good old Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. About an hour until we go get in the BATH. She knows what that word means, and we'll go running if I say it now. So yeah, we have an hour. I just have to hold out for 1 hour, then it's time for the you-know-what, and then for the BBD. Oh yeah, I can't wait. All done. No touch. No, 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 no. Guys, my house. I feel like all I've done today is clean it. You guys saw me clean this kitchen, and it's already back to its natural state. And then the laundry never got finished. Toys. I've been looking really good all day. It is 7:41 and I just put Emerson to bed. So we eat dinner, Andrew and I, typically after we put Emmy to bed because it's just easier that way and we can enjoy our meal in peace and just have some good quality time. That's him back there. He's so cute. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do right now. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments. Let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Just so that I can know if I should make more videos like this or not. I'm just trying to get a feel of what you guys want to see from me. So please don't be shy to let me know, because I want you guys to get videos that you want. So all of that said, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!